Paint Coat is a high-quality ceramic coating tailored for automotive paint. And PPF Coat is a ceramic coating specifically designed for PPF, incorporating Stek's PPF manufacturing technology. A good ceramic coating not only protects the vehicle but also makes maintenance easy. Introducing Stek's ceramic coating. Spread a thin layer over the entire vehicle using a dedicated applicator. Buff with a clean towel for a minimum of 3 minutes to a maximum of 15 minutes. After buffing, be careful not to let water touch it for at least 3 hours. Increases the gloss and enhances the color of the vehicle, making it look even better. Reduces the adhesion of contaminants, preventing surface damage. Improved slickness inhibits the occurrence of scratches. Stek offers a range of products, from the basic 1-year durability option to high-performance products with a 5-year lifespan. Custom development is also possible based on specific situations and climates. Thank you for watching. For more details, please contact the Stek sales team.